Hello everyone, this is Rocket Jeff Maycheck. How's it going? How's it going? So what do you think? You think it's raining? What do you think? Think I need to clean out the gutters? Margie TV! Shout out to you. Mom was screaming at me earlier. She called me and said, "Time to get Sam out." I didn't have any socks on, I didn't have a shirt or anything, and so I had to quickly get dressed and get out here. So, yeah, definitely have to clean the gutters out. I'll tell you that. So, now, if I have internet, I'll probably try and do live tomorrow. See how the weather is and everything. Today, I'm going to go back to sleep after I eat. But I'm going to do some TikTok tonight, so, but, yeah, so I got my umbrella. Sam is hiding in the tub, Rebel Rocker. Shout out to Nandy Greer. Now you know why I got the grass cut. That's what I cut the grass yesterday. Rain, rain, rain. You know that after all this rain comes through, you know for a fact that I'm going to be cutting grass next week. Across the street, up the street, and then next door. No more hedge trimming for a while, but we got ours to do. So. San Diego Barbie! Hello, good morning. Yeah. Well, I'm going to go eat my cereal, and I figured I would at least share with you. It was so dark and gloomy when I took Sam out, and Sam almost did not want to go outside. She was freaking out. She said, I don't want to go out there. It's like, Sam, you got to go out. So, it was already only drizzling at that point. So, alright, well, I don't want my stuff getting wet. Because it will get wet. It'll bounce right off and get dirty coming in the garage. Mom's like, close the garage door, close the garage door. I'm about to do that now. So. Margie TV! Lisa Bassardi! You like going to sleep to this, so. Alright. Oh, can you hear the thunder? Thunder! 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 You know, you can hear AC/DC playing in the background. Alright. Just want to share that with you. Yes, heavy rain. Hopefully I have internet connection, Margie. I don't know. We'll see what happens. You went into the dark room. See, there's Sam. She's scared. Good girl, Sam. Oh. Row Channel, does your dogs get scared of storms? Yep, there's that radio. The boombox. Lovely Rita! Alright, let's shut this off because Sam likes to be in the dark when it's stormy. Sunny, stormy, meow, 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 meow. Now here's the back. Actually, the backyard, I thought the backyard gutters would be running like crazy. It's not as bad as the front yard, though. Yeah, at least the plants are getting watered. Oh, can you hear the tree frogs? They're loving it. Ooh, it got wet in here. You like the plants? That's good. I'm glad you like the plants. Alright, well, good morning and good night to everyone. I'll see you later. Hopefully it's not too crazy with the internet tomorrow. I will try and do a live. Okay? Okay. Cross your fingers and say and pray. Okay, I don't have two hands, but pray. Pray that I can do live tomorrow. No, I'll try it 2 different times. I'll try during the day, and then I'll try it at night. Hey, like my little chimes up there. I'm gonna make another one of these days. Alright. That's it. I'm gonna go eat my breakfast, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget the thumbs up and stay dry.